Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F150 2016 model that we'll have right here, guys. It may work on other years as well. You will have two fuse boxes on your truck. One is behind the car battery in the engine bay, and when you open it, it will look just like this one. You guys have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, overpriced, expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse box that we need for the adjustable pedals will be in the passenger side right here, guys. In the footwell, by that kick panel right here, you remove that cover, and once you remove the cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout like that. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse, guys, for the adjustable pedals, where that fuse is located and which fuse we need to check specifically. If you come in that left row right here with the small fuses, by the way, those are double fuses. Something really weird that most people haven't seen in their life, but it's actually two fuses in one. But we'll be working that left side right here. The fuse that we'll need to check for the adjustable pedals, guys, will be known as fuse number 31. We're talking about a 31 fuse right here, 15 fuse. Check this thing out. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.